It's awesome to see what has happened and how God's faithfulness has been evident. I think about the trials and tribulations over the last 5 years with COVID and moving locations, and again, how God has just been faithful in that and continue to grow and bring the right people in.
Those times that you feel very frustrated and like you're not making an impact, like it's not, God's gonna take what we give and He's gonna use it as He sees fit.
I think it's had a big impact, and I think it will continue to have an impact as those kids, maybe those students, start to have kids and bring them to Mountain Christian School.
And I was part of MCS for the first 2 years that it was open, so I went to junior high at MCS. So after I graduated from MCS, I went to Show Low High School. I graduated from there, valedictorian. I went to college in Texas at a Christian school called Laterno. I have 2 young kids, almost 2-year-old and an almost 4-year-old, and I'm really excited that my daughter might get to be the first second generation MCSer.
One of the things we say is as we get bigger, we have to get smaller. Does that make sense? Mm-hmm. And I feel like MCS has done a really good job of that. You know, as they grow, as there's, you know, multiple classes, they still try to maintain low numbers in the classroom. They still have a personal relationship with the parents.
We all have the same goal. If you go back to that Deuteronomy verse of impressing this upon children, like that starts in the home, and they are surrounded by that. And that partnership, that what we have with the parents is just absolutely unique in that aspect, because we can freely go to them.
This school year, actually, we've had 2 students who said, before I came to MCS, I didn't know Jesus. I was not connected to Jesus. Or maybe I did know, but there was no connection. They said, wow, I know Jesus. I know Christ on a personal level. And we have that great responsibility to not just teach facts and knowledge, but to display that personal relationship with these students. And it does trickle down to siblings and to families as well.
Our family's decision to come to MCS basically was just Jesus. Like, where can our kids be exposed to Jesus? It's like, yeah, this is this is exactly what a parent wants.
There's many opportunities that we're all able to work together as a community to educate our children. And I appreciate that as a parent, being involved in my children's education and also being involved with other parents. And we're able to work together.
My favorite thing about this school is the teachers, because they're very dedicated and patient to help the students learn.
They're kind, and I like how they teach us. If it's not just a Bible subject, they still talk about the Bible.
The Lord is gracious and compassionate, slow to anger and rich in love.
Rejoice in the Lord always. I will say it again, rejoice.
Rejoice in the Lord always. I will say it again.
Do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation, by prayer and petition, with thanksgiving, present your request to God.
That He do miracles and He raised people from the dead.
I love MCS.
Yeah, it's my favorite school I've ever gone to.